Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys like a tutorial on how to use the mask feature essentially. So for instance, you want to mask something 2 times. I'm just gonna get this video, and here if you're on basic, select mask and make sure you tick this button. If you want to mask more than 2 times, select the shape first. You can also feather it out here if you want to. Then you're just going to right click, create compound clip, and then you're going to mask it again. So you masked it 2 times to create this wonderful frame. Okay, now I'm just going to show you how to mask text. Add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word love. Also going to change the font for it. And then again, you're going to simply right click on the text, create compound clip, and then select mask, and then select the heart shape. And then that's how you can mask your text. You can only do it once though, but if you want to, you can just try to do it for, I guess, each letter, but it is pretty tedious. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!